Today is going to be the last day that I'm investing £50 into the daily dividends pie on Trading 212. I'll tell you for why at the end, but for now, before we put our final £50 in, let's check out the current balance. I've put in £19.50. I think the £2.44 has been a few bits of change from the dividends, but the current balance is 1924.35. It's actually come back a lot these past couple of days, £28.09 down. So we're going to put in that £50. This time we've had a few more dividends, the biggest one so far, I think 33p, 34p. And so there is enough pies cash to put an extra 2p against each of the 50 companies in the pie. As always, the fund distribution is by targets, meaning that all 50 companies get 2%. And now that we're fully invested, we've got 1975 and 34p of the, well, £2,000. And so the reason for stopping this particular challenge is I'd like to just wait now and watch the dividends come in for a bit, and I'm conscious that my entire Trading 212 portfolio, or at least the full account balance, is about 6.5k. This makes up almost 30% of that, or 33% of that now, and I would like to reduce that down to 20%. So I'm going to be doing other challenges and putting money into other funds like my early retirement pie, and so like my payday stuff that I do, and I do the £70 a week. I'm going to bolster those and just start to put in maybe £50 a week into this one, or a couple of £100 a month or something, so that there's less focus on it in terms of how much is going in, because I'd like to balance it out. I don't want the dividends element of my portfolio to be any more than 20% long term, and if this is already at 2k, then I need to get the rest of it up to 8. So I've got a few more thousand to put in, and we'll do it over the next few months, maybe 6 to 12 months, we'll see. Anyway, if you've been coming along on the journey, I hope your dividends are starting to show or bear fruit. I think now that we are going to slow this down, in about 4 weeks' time, all the ex-dividend dates may have been hit or should have been hit, so we'll see the real numbers, because even that 34p won't have all of the money that I've put in for the past 2 or 3 weeks probably. So I'm hoping at some point in February, March, we'll start to see £1 plus dividends. And I'm also going to start a new series on YouTube. If you're not already following me there, there's a link in my bio, and what I'm going to do is basically dividend payments received in the previous month, the whole envelope thing, stick it in a money box. I've bought a Perspex money box and I'm going to have a bit of fun with it. I will put them on here potentially in a short form, but if you're interested in that and the long form content, head over there and I'll see you on the other side. If you'd like to get started with investing on Trading 212, you can get a free fractional share by using my promo code MITM. That fractional share could be worth up to £100 to you, so why not? If you do use it, let me know in the comments which one you get, and happy investing.